Ananias and Sapphira. But there was a man named Ananias, who with his wife Sapphira sold some property that belonged to them. But with his wife's agreement, he kept part of the money for himself and turned the rest over to the apostles. Peter said to him, Ananias, why did you let Satan take control of you and make you lie to the Holy Spirit by keeping part of the money you received for the property? Before you sold the property, it belonged to you, and after you sold it, the money was yours. Why then did you decide to do such a thing? You have not lied to people. You have lied to God. As soon as Ananias heard this, he fell down dead, and all who heard about it were terrified. The young man came in, wrapped up his body, carried him out, and buried him. About 3 hours later, his wife, not knowing what had happened, came in. Peter asked her, Tell me, was this the full amount you and your husband received for your property? Yes, she answered, the full amount. So Peter said to her, Why did you and your husband decide to put the Lord's Spirit to the test? The men who buried your husband are at the door right now, and they will carry you out too. At once she fell down at his feet and died. The young man came in and saw that she was dead. So they carried her out and buried her beside her husband. The whole church and all the others who heard of this were terrified.